How to create Google Drive account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate here, and on today's video I will guide you how you can create Google Drive account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, open up Google Chrome in your device. Now if you already have a Google account, you can use Google account to access or to use the Google Drive account. So if you want to go to Google Drive, you have to head over to this dotted icon that says Google Apps, click on it, and if you head over to the Drive from here, and if you're already logged in into your Google account on the browser, you'll be directly logged in into Drive as well. So in that case, you don't need an extra account for your Google Drive. You could simply log in with your Google account, or Google Drive will use your Google account. But in case if you don't have Google account, then you have to create a new account to use the Google Drive. So to create a new Google account, navigate to the profile at the top right, and here click on add another account, and here go to create account. From here you have to choose an option whether you want to create for your personal use, child, or work or business. So here select the first option for the personal use. Now you'll be prompted to this interface to enter your name. So create your first name. Under that you have to provide your last name. Click on next. Now select your date of birth. Under that select your gender, then click on next. Now you have to choose your Gmail address. If you want to create your new, you have to go to create your own, or you can choose one from here, click on next. Now you have to create a password. So make sure that you create a strong password, then click on next. After that you may be prompted to enter the recovery Gmail also. So if you already have one, you could also provide one of your Gmail as a recovery Gmail for your new account. Then click on next, and once you complete the process, you will have a Google account. Now you can use this Google account to use Google Drive in your device. Once you're logged in into your new account, all you have to do is head over to Google Apps, click on Drive, and with that you'll be automatically logged into Google Drive with your account. So that's it. That's how you can create Google Drive account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.